My plan is to replace this piece of weather stripping, or kind of a bonnet cushioning strip that used to be here. And I've ordered the little fasteners. You need 10 along here, and then the stripping. And there are different kinds of weather stripping you can get. Some of it's very thin canvas. I actually ordered kind of a thicker one. It's like a heavy canvas that's rolled and soaked in some rubber, and it looks really good. So I'm going to be putting that on here. Here you can see the old clips from the piece of or weather strip. So here's the liner, which I'm going to use. It's got a really nice thickness to it. That's going to go right across here. So I'm just using small pliers, reaching underneath, and then I'm going to squish and push, and they come out just like that. I probably could reuse these, but might as well put in new clips. Okay, so what I've done is just using a clamp and some binder clips. You can't really reach up with an ice pick from the bottom. So all I'm doing is I'm feeling with my finger and then putting the ice pick there and making the little hole. So I feel along the edge, make the little hole, feel along the edge. I know where it is, make the hole. So just going to squeeze gently like that to get it started. And that seems to be a good way to do it. Just squeeze the thing from the top and start it through. There we go. And now I just remove the clips. And I will trim off this extra little piece here. Show you. That's what's left. This little piece is left. I'm going to trim it. I have this really good pair of leather shears, and I'm going to use it to cut this. Just want to make sure my length is correct. I'm concerned about some fraying on the edge. Yeah, that's good. So here's the edge. I think I might have to seal it in some way, maybe dip it in rubber, I don't know. The only problem is this thing comes right off because the clips, I don't know if you could see a close-up, the clips don't go in deep enough, because the problem is this material is too thick. It's just too thick for this type of clip. So I ordered another bonnet rest strip, which is thinner. You can kind of see the profile here, and you can see the profile. It's a little thinner, and I tried the original rivets with it, and they still didn't work. They just wouldn't go through. So I got these clips, these are brads actually is what they're called, and they even come with brass washers. And you can see the hole here, which is what I actually tried to use with the original clips. The clips just didn't come all the way through, and they certainly wouldn't go through the metal. They just wouldn't make it. So I got these clips, these brass brads, and what I'm going to do is put the brad on top like this, and underneath I'll push this through, use the washer, and then open up the brad underneath, and that should hold it. We'll see how that does. It's brass, it's probably going to corrode and get ugly. I don't know. It might actually look good. I don't know. Another thing I did was I got some fabric glue to prevent fraying, and I put that on the ends, and I also put it in each holes to prevent fraying. So now I'm just going to simply place the strip in. And you can see these brads just slide right in, so I lucked out with the size. That actually looks pretty good. And you can see here's the brad hanging down. And I'm just going to put the washer on it, the little brass washer, squeeze it tight, and then open up the brad that way. See if I can get a close-up of it. It's pretty hard to see from under here because it's so dark, but that's how it looks when it's finished. And there you can see the strip, and I think it's not bad. So that's the bonnet rest strip, and I think the bonnet rest strip will do for now, and we'll see how it goes. That's good.